Handbook wording is free everywhere. A generator or one prompt to an AI writes a finished handbook in a minute. What none of them tell you is which policies your size is even subject to, or whether that wording just made a promise. 21 PDFs, 147 pages, 16 section shells, 381 fillable fields, 87 calculations running live as you answer them. Not a blank page waiting on you to know the law. The first engine is Applicability. Answer questions about your headcount, your state, and what you offer, and it works out which federal floors reach a business your size. Every section shell comes back classified. Required at this size, common but optional, or not applicable yet. 98 decisions decide which, so the handbook fits the business you actually run. Enter your headcount, pay periods, and waiting periods once. They carry through every section that references them, so the policy and the number behind it never drift apart. The second engine is wording. 29 phrasings sit in the language register, the same policy written two ways. One that describes a benefit, one a court can read as a promise. Already have a handbook? Score your existing draft against the register, and it flags the sentences most likely to have crossed into a promise. Not every section needs a lawyer's hour. Counsel Triage sorts your sections into what you can adopt as drafted, what is worth a second look, and what calls for a scoped review by local counsel. For the sections you do send out, a page of questions to ask counsel goes with it, so that hour is spent on your open questions. Open any section and the anatomy repeats. The policy language, the check locally flags inside it, and the rewrite panel showing the safer phrasing beside it. 28 places carry a visible check locally flag instead of a stated rule, because this kit speaks to federal floors only. Federal floors only means exactly that. Most states set lower thresholds than the federal number, and several employment protections reach a business at one employee. Not covered by a federal statute at your size is never the same as no obligation. 25 rewrite panels take a sentence that reads like a guarantee and show the version that reads like a description instead. Same information, no promise buried inside it. A decision worksheet walks you through the calls only you can make. Probationary length, how paid time off accrues, whether remote work is policy or case by case. 15 review triggers tell you when the handbook is due another look. A headcount crossing a threshold, a new state, a law that changed. A 14-page guide walks the whole structure end to end. 21 PDFs, 381 fillable fields, 16 federal laws mapped into 98 decisions. This is not legal advice. An Ardent Workshop is not a law firm. It will not tell you what your state requires, and it does not promise a finished handbook is compliant. Buy it once, keep it, own it. No subscription.